Welcome. This tutorial is more for those who are interested in making a configurator or a catalog to showcase your products. However, this can be useful in any case of use. In this scene, I have already and asset loaded. Shift and left click to open the 3D node, or do it directly through the outliner, and go down to where it says Measure. You can modify the thickness of it, the size, distance, font, and the type of unit of it. Now, if you click Generate, it will immediately show the real size of the object based on its dimensions. A case of use for this is to use an Animate node to give the user the ability to enable or disable this option dynamically. I hope this tutorial will help. Thank you for watching.